Shubor Nakashlem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Deputy Speaker ka Yang Bar Thau An Kajila Timothy Dishira Mendagasni ka Khat Ardrik Udaber Hajar Pesan Ulalit Ban Ujor Shaying ka Shari Hiki Arngut ki Brio ki wala Pynsngewthuh Bakla ki Patba Hakiran San social media halor ka Jingkren Jong Hapo Yang Bar Thau An Kajila dang hiki ni Khandiap Sngi ka ba Ukraine ha ka bede ba ka Jingpenlong ya ka Tura kum ka Nong Ba Talang lani ka Winter Capital ka Jila Meghalaya ka balami ka Jingpersha ya haki Patba ka Rilum Garu kini ki arngut ki kenthop ya kawe ka kenthei ka belatip kerteng kum kamikan chi arsangma nagol para district Assam bat uwe ubal serang marang ubana North Garo Hills ubade YouTuber ya kini ki arngut an pengat kat kum ki kendan an bat kin hab ban siu marshis pa Klur tingka.
I'm filing a defamation case and criminal case against two persons. One is Balsang Sangma and one is Mikanchi Armara.
Arsangma.
So our individuals, one is a person, a man from my constituency, and other one is from Dorongre, from Assam.
What is the allegation?
What is the allegation? They have made it viral in the YouTube, regarding my speech in the assembly with regard to the making Chura the winter capital. So there, I think you have the record of my speech. So they said they don't understand what I have spoken. So without knowing the details and what I have spoken in the house, they have made plus in the YouTube that I am totally against my community. I am totally against the construction, the making Chura winter capital, and thereby, you see, he has. He said he condemned me for not cooperating with the community. That man is Garo.
What is the
Today we have filed two different defamations. One is civil defamation and one is the criminal defamation. In a criminal defamation, if we can prove our allegation, then they will be punished as per the criminal law. And we have also filed a defamation suit for claiming a damage of 100 crores from each of them. And this is because they have wrongly interpreted what my client, the Honorable Deputy Speaker, has spoken in the Assembly. One of the accused person or the defendant is from Assam, who has nothing to do with Meghalaya. She has interpreted the statement given or the speech what he has spoken in the Assembly in a different manner, and that has defamed my client in his constituency, in the Garo Hills area, and in the entire Meghalaya. For that, he is aggrieved with the action of these two people. That is why he has approached this honourable court today by filing these two defamation cases.
What is to
explain a little more on the background of these two individuals?
See, what my client, Honourable Deputy Speaker, has spoken in the Assembly, against that they have made a video whereby certain allegation was made against of him. This allegation against my client, as per his understanding, was wrong, whatever they have interpreted. And now, since the matter is sub judice before this honourable court, it will not be wise for us to give more details than this. Thank you so much.
No, these two individuals.
Oh, one is the YouTuber and one is just mere social media user.
YouTuber is from where?
Is from Garo Hills.
One is from Assam.
One is from Assam and one is from Garo Hills.
Can you give the correct name of this?
Yeah, one is Mikanchi Arsangma, another one is Balsrang Mara. Mikanchi Arsangma is from Garo Hills, Gwalpara district, and the other one is from North Garo Hills. Thank you so much.
They are he or she?
One is he and one is she. Come, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.